Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock egg fruit seed in Curry Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the plans from the Easter update, and if you want to unlock the egg fruit seed, you need to have the Easter seed pack. And you will have 0.5% chance to get the egg fruit seed, but it's pretty hard to get it guys, so I'm going to show you another way to get the egg fruit. So you need to join this event, the candy event, and you need to score more than 20k points if you want to unlock the egg fruit. Okay, you can keep submitting your fruits, candy type fruits, to this candy box, and you need to reach this score. Wait, let me show you. So this is individual reward, so you can do it alone without a team. Right. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, this is the score that you need to reach to unlock one egg fruit. And I'm still working on it, guys. I'm still working on the egg fruit. And the reward can be claimed after you submit all your fruits. I mean, all the candy type plants that you have right here. And I still need to wait for the packaging. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the egg fruit in Grey Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.